In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Calendly events. Calendly is an incredibly popular scheduling tool, but sometimes you may need to clean up your event types to stay organized or remove outdated meetings. Whether you're clearing up your calendar or simply managing your events more efficiently, I'll guide you step by step through the process of deleting a specific event in Calendly. If you're new to Calendly, you'll find a link in the description to create your account and get started. Now, let's jump right into it. First, head over to the Calendly website, open your browser, and navigate to www.calendly.com. Once you're on the home page, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Login option to access your account. Next, if your Calendly account is connected to Google, select the Continue with Google option. This is a great way to streamline the login process since it avoids the hassle of remembering another password. Just make sure you choose the Google account that's linked to your Calendly schedule. Otherwise, you might encounter access issues later on. Once you've selected your Google account, Calendly will ask for permission to access your account details. Go ahead and grant the necessary permissions. This step is essential for Calendly to sync your schedule and display your events properly. Now that you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Calendly dashboard. This is the central hub where all of your scheduled event types are listed and managed. Take a moment to locate the section that displays all of your event types. From here, scroll through your list of events and find the specific event type you want to delete. Once you've identified it, look for a small cogwheel icon next to that event. This icon represents the settings for that particular event. Click on the cogwheel and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see several options, and one of them will be Delete. Now keep in mind that the Delete option might not be immediately obvious, as Calendly considers deleting an event to be a last resort. So if you don't see it right away, double-check the drop-down menu carefully. Once you click Delete, Calendly will prompt you to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is there for a reason. It helps prevent accidental deletions. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct event, and when you're sure, confirm the deletion. It's important to note that deleting an event will cancel any upcoming meetings that were scheduled under this event type. So, if you have any active appointments associated with this event, keep this in mind before proceeding. After confirming, Calendly will remove the event from your dashboard and schedule. To double-check that the deletion was successful, take another look at your list of event types. The one you just deleted should no longer appear. And that's it, you've successfully deleted an event from your Calendly account. So now you know exactly how to remove outdated or unnecessary events from your Calendly schedule. If there are any other topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.